up in a life that's not my own. Different voice, different home. But in the mirror in my eyes, there's a story I can't recognize.
I hear a name I barely know, a feeling somewhere I can't go. The city moves, but something's wrong. A piece of you has been here all along.
We're crossing lines we can't explain,
Through time, through space, through endless days.
and even if we lose the truth,
My heart still runs to you.